Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how to remove suggested or recommended shorts on YouTube. So what you will do is when you see these shorts, when you open the YouTube, you just have to click the three dot button and then click not interested. So you have to do that on all the recommended shorts that you will see on your YouTube page or timeline. And then what you will see when you reload your YouTube video and scroll down to the videos, you will not see recommended reels anymore. And when you exit YouTube and go back to YouTube, you will see that there will be no shorts that are recommended on your YouTube. So that's it. That's how you disable YouTube shorts. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.